Deciphering Your Gurgling Toilet, a DIY guide.
Hello everyone. Today we're addressing a common household issue that can be both annoying and potentially indicative of a bigger problem, a gurgling toilet. You might be wondering, do I need to call a plumber to fix my gurgling toilet? Let's dive into it.
What causes a toilet to gurgle?
First off, understanding the root of the problem is key. A gurgling toilet is often a sign of a blocked vent stack or drain line, which creates a vacuum and causes the distinctive noise. It's important to address this issue as it can lead to other problems like slow drainage or, worse, sewage backup.
Can I fix it myself?
Many times, yes, you can fix a gurgling toilet by yourself. Simple tools like a plunger or a plumber's snake can often resolve the issue. A plunger can help to dislodge minor blockages, while a plumber's snake can tackle more stubborn clogs in the line. Remember to wear protective gloves and eyewear for safety.
How to use a plunger or plumber's snake?
To use a plunger, place it over the toilet drain and push down firmly, then pull up quickly. Repeat this process several times. If that doesn't solve the problem, you might need a plumber's snake. Feed the snake into the drain, turn it to break up the blockage, and pull it back out.
When should I call a plumber?
In case you're unable to resolve the gurgling issue using a plunger or a snake, or if the problem keeps recurring, it's time to call in a professional plumber. They have access to specialized equipment and have the knowledge to handle complex issues. Always remember, if in doubt, it's safer and often less costly in the long run to consult with a professional. So, while a gurgling toilet can often be fixed by yourself, it's important to recognize when the problem might be out of your hands. Keep your home's plumbing in top shape by addressing any issues promptly. Remember, a happy home is a well-maintained home. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this guide has been helpful for you.